Oliver, what are you looking up there?
Oh, he's kicking his ass.
What's up there? Nala, do you see what your brother is seeing? Oliver! You weirdo. I'm gonna sneeze at you. He's gonna try to cry again. You weird. No, you don't do it right because you're a normal cat. What? Okay. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty lady. Hi, pretty lady. Who's the pretty lady? Okay. I guess you don't want any cameras. I'll let go. This is for TMZ. Sorry. Just kidding. I love you. Wait, I'm trying to record your brother. Let me record your brother. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Oh, let go of the camera. You see? Look at your brother. Let go of the camera. You don't want me to record him? Huh? You don't want me to record him? Okay, I'll stop. Just let go. No, I'm talking to Nala. Let go. Let go. Get it. Thank you. Hi, Oliver. I think he's looking at a fly.
Oh my goodness, that's the funniest shit.
No.
Wait,
What?
the boxing cat?
Yeah, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Hi, Oliver. Hi. They're like, screw this shit. Oliver. Hi. Hi. So bad. Okay, I'll stop. Bye, Nala. Bye-bye. Freaking camera won't turn off.